Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're making homemade sausage balls. And we're going to be putting Rotel and cream cheese in these. These are some of the most tastiest finger food sausage balls I've ever tried. I made them last week and I had to make them again. We're having a little party and we're not having a big dinner. We're just going to do finger foods, and this might be just what you're looking for your little parties. If they're saying bring appetizers or finger foods, this one is a great one to try. Let's get started. These sausage balls are not dry. Using the cream cheese and Rotel, you won't believe the difference. It don't take many ingredients either. Let's get started. We're going to start by adding our cup of cheese, a half a block of cream cheese, one can of drained Rotel, the mild. If you wanted spicier sausage balls, you could use the hot. And then 1 cup of the Bisquick, homemade Bisquick that we made. One package of 1 pound pack of mild sausage or hot, depending on how you want to do them. And now you just got to give that a good mix. And I'm going to use my hands. They're washed and clean. Because you want to get all your mixture combined real good together. And now we've got it all mixed together. Now we're going to make the little sausage balls. And now I've lined a baking sheet with aluminum foil and sprayed it good with cooking spray so they don't stick. And now we're just going to try to use this to make our little sausage balls with, to keep them all around the same size. We got to get all these done. Okay, we've got them all rolled out into our little bitty balls. Using that scooper, it makes them easy to get them all the same size, and they'll cook at the same time. So we're going to put them in the oven now on 350 for around 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're good and golden brown. Okay, y'all, I flipped them halfway through, so now let's check them. They smell so good with that Rotel in them and that cream cheese. So now we're just going to place them on this paper towel because I want them to drain. And once they cool, we're going to pull them apart where they sort of stuck together just a little bit. Okay, y'all, that's what our Rotel cream cheese, cheddar cheese sausage balls turned out to look like. They're not quite as round as I would like them, but they're delicious. And I'm going to show y'all this one so you can see what the inside of them looks like. Look at that cream cheese in them. Ooh, those are going to be good. Oh, y'all got to try these. These are a different take on a sausage ball. They're delicious. I hope y'all give them a try. So if you're looking for the perfect appetizer for Christmas or any kind of get-together, great for football games or any time of year, these sausage balls are delicious. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching our video on these homemade sausage balls using cream cheese and Rotel. If you think you're going to try this, comment down below. And if you have any ideas that might make them better, tell us any ideas that you would put in them that we might try. And if you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share our videos. And if you hadn't already, subscribe down below. And don't forget to check out all our other videos. A while back, we made a lot of appetizers and little treats for Christmas. And it's that time of year. So I hope this video helps you figure out what to make for your little parties. It's a great appetizer, finger food, tasty little thing you can try. Thanks for watching.